So I had a follower on Instagram ask me to share my tips on how to get a broader back. So in today's video, I'll share with you two of my biggest tips I have for maximizing overall back development. The number one tip I have for you is to make sure that you squeeze your shoulder blades together as hard as you can on every single rep. That's going to ensure that you get a maximum contraction in all of your back muscles. Now, why do we trainers, strength coaches, physical therapists, or even chiropractors always emphasize on squeezing your shoulder blades together? It's because when we look at the rhomboids, for example, the rhomboid minor and rhomboid major, one of their main actions is to adduct or retract, bring your shoulder blades together as hard as you can. And then the latissimus dorsi's main action is to adduct the arm and bring it all the way back behind your body. So if you can combine both of these together, it's going to ensure that we get a maximum contraction in our back. And then the second biggest tip I have for you is to train your back just like any other body part in different angles. When we look at the human body and the different directions that it moves in, we always refer to three different planes, anatomical planes of the body. These planes divide us into different sections. The first plane is the frontal or coronal plane. This plane runs down laterally and it divides my body into front and back halves. The second plane is the sagittal plane, which runs down vertically and it divides my body into left and right halves. The last plane, third plane, is the transversal plane, which cuts my body into top and bottom halves. A lat pull down or a pull up would fall under the frontal plane. A bent over row, whether it's with a barbell, a dumbbell, or a kettlebell, would be in the sagittal plane. Cable row, standing or seated, or even a TRX row, and I add some rotation to it at the very end. Now we're killing two birds with one stone. So we're training our body in a sagittal/transverse plane. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell button so you get notified when I post a new video.